Hey guys, new for 2020, this is the Momentum 30G. Now this thing really is incredible. It borrows a lot of concepts from other floor plans, but it kind of blends them in a way that hasn't been done before, and I think you're going to really like this. Let me walk around this with you and show you some of the things we've integrated into this floor plan. As with the other Momentum travel trailers, you're still going to get a really nice galley, nice sink, a nice refrigerator, things that we really don't have to touch on because you've seen them. But in here, this is a really different, unique floor plan on this side of the coach. First of all, you'll notice it has a 4-person dinette, which is really unheard of when it comes to these travel trailer toy haulers. Now keep in mind, in all of this thing is about 35 feet long, 34'11", and you're going to see that there's a lot of space, a lot of really density packed into here that really offers an unparalleled experience for your customers. So we have a 4-person dinette. Over here, there's a small kind of 2-person dinette with the Euro recliner chairs. And then in the back, there's still the Happy Jack. So you can put that dinette there. And if you look around seating in here, you can comfortably seat 12 people. And if you use the jump seat over here, you can probably get another kid in there. So, up to 13 people comfortably seated inside this living area. In addition, up here up top, we actually put the television across from the sofa. So, you guys who know, you sell, other travel trailers, fifth wheels, people really like the idea of being able to look straight onto their TV. This floor plan allows them to do just that. Now here in the bedroom, there's a lot of cool features too. And again, you've got to realize that when customers look at this, they see it kind of as a toy hauler first, but also as a living area, but you can't discount that, especially when it comes to the bedroom. A lot of times these toy haulers, the travel trailers, they'll have the bed pushed up to the side. They may have a queen bed, they may have a king bed, but it's usually very difficult to get in and out of. And in this floor plan, all of our floor plans, we featured a walk-around bed. This floor plan actually introduces a king bed into the mix. So you can look around, there's a very large bed, and I think customers really gravitate to this larger bed. They really like the idea of having a king bed in a travel trailer. Now behind you, if you look around, very similar to our 21G floor plan, and a few other floor plans, the bathroom, nice and spacious, a big shower, sink, toilet, very, very livable. But overall, this living suite is very nice. A lot of storage, again, and what really sets it off is the king bed and how that is going to appeal to your customers. Thanks again for checking out the 30G. I've set the camera so if you want to take a look around from the entrance door where you are, you can kind of see how it all flows together if you haven't gotten a sense for it yet. Be sure to check out the floor plan sheet itself so you can get all the details. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks again.